Welcome to Lesson 1 of your Survival Spanish mini course. In this lesson, we'll cover polite essentials, those magic words that open doors everywhere in the Spanish-speaking world. And then I'll show you a few survival tricks you can use when you don't know the Spanish word. These are lifesavers for travelers and beginners. Part 1. Polite Essentials. Here are 10 essential phrases that are short and easy to remember. Repeat after me. Hola. Hello. Buenos días. Good morning. Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas noches. Good evening or good night. Por favor. Please. Gracias. Thank you. Muchas gracias. Thank you very much. De nada. You're welcome. Perdón. Excuse me, or sorry. Disculpe. Excuse me. Polite and essential in service situations. For example, if you bump someone whilst walking, you can say perdón, which means sorry. If you're trying to get someone's attention, for example at the market, you can say disculpe, which means excuse me. Part 2. Survival Tricks. Now, what if you don't know the Spanish word? Don't worry. Here are some survival phrases that keep conversations moving. Repeat after me. No hablo mucho español. I don't speak much Spanish. ¿Habla inglés? Do you speak English? No entiendo. I don't understand. Más despacio, por favor. Slower, please. ¿Puede repetir, por favor? Can you repeat, please? ¿Cómo se dice en español? How do you say in Spanish? For example, you can point to an object and say, ¿Cómo se dice en español? Which means, how do you say this in Spanish? Esto. This, or this thing. For example, you can point to something and say esto, which means this. Eso. That, or that thing. For example, you can point to something away from you and say eso. Mini survival bonus tip. You don't need perfect grammar. If you forget a word, just point and say quiero esto. I want this, or necesito eso. I need that. Necesito means I need. Great job! Now you know the magic words that make Spanish speakers smile, and the survival tricks that will help you get by even if your vocabulary is small. In the next lessons, we'll dive into travel-specific situations like the airport, taxis, and asking for directions. But remember, if you only use hola, por favor, gracias, disculpe, and no entiendo, you'd already survive. See you in the next lesson.